We've all seen the classic sci-fi trope where our heroes will be hurtling through space and yet somehow be stuck to the floor, but there's no gravity in the spaceship that would allow them to do that. However, there are some realistic ways that we could create artificial gravity in a spaceship. The best example of how this would be done is something you might have seen already in 2001: A Space Odyssey, Elysium, and even Halo, and it uses centripetal force rather than gravity. If you've ever done that thing where you swing a bucket around and the water stays in it, then you know what I'm talking about. Centrifugal force describes the sensation of the water being pushed to the bottom of the bucket, when in reality it's the centripetal force that's actually pulling it towards the centre while it continues accelerating around in a circle. The alternative way to create artificial gravity would be using linear acceleration, or as I'm calling it, the Martian elevator. I'm naming it this because it's genuinely something that NASA are thinking of using to take people to Mars. You know that feeling you get in an elevator where it suddenly feels like the ground is coming up from underneath you? Well, the same thing would be used in our spaceship. If our spaceship moves with the same acceleration that gravity has on Earth, then our astronaut will feel the same effect that he would from standing on the planet. And then when it's halfway, it would only need to flip round and decelerate at the same rate. And then you've got a straight line trip to Mars where you can stand up, my friend.